They're together, whatever it is.
All right, Norma, excuse me. So, Mr. Phillips, let me explain something to you.
Hear me, yo. Watching how them opera boys get sentenced. You know how the fuck's going on, man. Y'all boys tuned into that Oouchie court watch. Well, we taking it straight from the jail cell to the judge. Hear me?
Oh, come forward. I'm sorry. Hello.
May I address the court?
Yes.
You asked us to make an effort to get into community court. Unable to do that with the felony prosecution, not backing off the two felonies. We're not going to go to trial on this matter, but I can't get them in the community court. I suggest a short reset for further discussion regarding possible resolution by mental health supervision while on deferred adjudication.
All right. So how much time are you requesting?
2 to 3 weeks, Your Honor.
All right, this was stapled to the wrong thing. All right, and what other cases does he have other than this drug case?
Not aware of any others, Your Honor.
All right, that's the drug case. All right, so what we'll do is we would call it for 2 weeks. Do you still want it in this month or you want it in the month of March?
March is good.
All right, so Ms. Ferguson,
Yes,
put this for that first week in March, please.
yes, ma'am, I can do the March 3rd. Yeah.
All right, and Miss,
Is it one felony or two?
oh, I don't know. That's why I was asking.
You want me to check?
They're together, whatever it is.
All right, Norma, excuse me. So, Mr. Phillips, let me explain something to you. Number one, you're leaving this courtroom. You're not leaving the courtroom in cuffs, so your attorney is doing a good job for you. The reason why I brought up the fact whether it was 1 or 2 is because I could have sworn I heard somebody mention that. Looking on the docket, I only see 1. Do you understand? So this whole releasing of anger towards your attorney and not thinking things through is an issue for you. So you need to start thinking before you just lose it and enter into your angry phase. Do you understand? So all you had to do was calm down and say, I don't understand. Oh, here's the thing. But here's the thing. Listen, all right? Your felony case, the state does not have the labs, right? What we're trying to do and what your attorney is trying to do, this is where the counselor of law comes in, is we're trying to make sure, and he's trying to make sure that you don't pick up another felony, because we're dealing with the homelessness issue, maybe mental health issues. He's trying to work on all of that with all of the other caseload he has. You understand? So it does you no good to be angry with him, to speak to him in an angry way, because guess what? He's trying to help you. Now, he may not be able to get you exactly what you want, but he's still trying to help you. And I can tell you, I do not understand, and I've been trying to rack my brains around it. A lot of people will be angry with their attorneys, and the attorney is not even the person who has you in the situation that you're in. Usually when people go see their doctor, they're not angry with them because they have cancer. They're not angry with them because they have high blood pressure. They see them as, yes, this person could probably save me. Your attorney is just doing what's in your best interest and trying to save you. You understand? All right. That's all right. That's great. So here's the thing. Just don't talk to people when you're angry, because people will listen better when you don't come to them angry. That's why I try. I know, but this is why I always tell people, just keep it right here and smile and everything will be okay. All right. So have you been able to find a place to stay or no?
On and off.
All right, so he's trying to work on that. We're gonna see about referring you maybe to, he says, mental health. The mental health court may be able to help you with housing and your mental health. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so we're gonna bring you back on March 3rd. And Ms. Ferguson, when you do an order, yeah, she already has the reset form and she's gonna do an order for him to be reviewed, for you to be reviewed for mental health, okay? Do you have it now? Now that you understand everything, do you have any questions about anything? You sure?
Uh,
All right, now's the time that, do you have any questions for your attorney?
The answer,
Okay, all right, have a great day, okay?
thank
You're welcome. All right, Marlon Phillips. Come forward.
We'll bring him up. We'll bring him back.
Hello, how is everything going?
fine, I'm doing right there.
All right, were you able to get in to see someone at Center for Healthcare Services or no?
Yeah, I go there like,
Everyone, please whisper.
I go there like maybe 2-3 times a month, repeatedly to go there because, I got a counselor, a lady that helps me with resources and stuff like that. And I have also a care provider. So,
All right. And is there anything else you need from the court? Hmm? I mean, is everything going fine? Because my goal is to set conditions of bond so that you can be successful. And if there's any type of impediment to your being successful on bond, if you need drug treatment, if you need any of those things, just let the court know.
oh, okay. No, pretty much it's the medicine is that they're mixing or trying to get right. It's starting to work now and things are doing better.
All right. And how long has this case been waiting to be indicted, counsel?
About 2 months, Your Honor. We're going in the right direction.
Okay.
We need a drug test lab result.
Okay,
Discovery is not the issue.
okay.
Well, if the drug ID report is not ready, does not produce, then that's enough discovery is required. I am in the process of asking their county laboratory if they have a report so to produce it, if not introduce it as quickly as possible.
All right. And so here's my other question then. Because the last time he was here, he said he was homeless. Are you still homeless?
I have a place to go with my mom. It's like I like being there every time. It's not, we're like twice a week, every other week. And with my friend, let's say Nikki, I go stay at her house.
All right, who's the friend who's with him? Hi. All right, so here's the thing. I can reset you again. But if I don't reset you and you're homeless, what's going to end up happening is your mail is going to go wherever it goes. And if you don't receive the mail, a warrant's going to be issued for your arrest because we're not going to know if you received it or not.
I have a good side of the job.
All right, so if you can make sure that they have your address so that you'll know when your setting is, counsel, unless you want me to give him a setting to coincide with the timelines for asking for whatever you want to ask for if this case is not indicted. So it's up to you. So if you want me to set this off, you said it's been hanging around for how many months?
Two is an estimate, Your Honor.
All right.
Excuse me. This been going on for 2.5 years that I've been waiting to come to court. Like seriously.
All right, let me just see this. Can somebody pull this? What's the offense date on this?
For Twincha,
On Marlon Phillips?
it's November 30th of 2023.
Oh, okay. So, excuse me, state. This is, the offense date on this is 2023. We are in 2025. What are we doing with this case?
That's what I'm saying, like that.
Well, no. We're gonna take care of this. So waiting on labs, I don't know. I'm not a part of any negotiation, but this seems to me that maybe this is a further investigation type of thing. But for him to have a charge that's been pending since 2023, that's an issue for the court. And I'll entertain whatever defense you wish to file unless the state wants to do something.
I'll file a motion, Your Honor.
All right, so if you want to handwrite it, we can hear it today.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, just have a seat.
Hmm.
Yes, just have a seat. All right, Mr. Phillips.
You can have a seat, she'll call you up. It's gonna get to her. Pat,
Explain it to me.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Phillips? So there are no lab reports, so they're tendering a dismissal. Here's the thing. You need to stay on top of your mental health issues. You need to stay on top of everything, because if you don't, you know what's going to end up happening? You're going to be right back here, and they may end up having labs and everything. So if there is an issue, if you can't get treatment for your mental health issues, if I'm here, you can always come back here and we'll see what we can do to help you.
Okay.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oouchie, watch, we're on the scene. Truths unravel, and what does it mean? In the halls where stories clash, Oouchie, watch quick as a flash.